We come out for a little bike ride to this beautiful, beautiful beach.
Yes, we have.
It's just about 10-minute ride from where we are staying.
Yes.
And here's the view. Look at it.
Yeah.
It looks better than that because the lighting is not right. But there you go. Look at that.
Yeah.
This over here, that's more like the lighting. And wow, look at the palm trees there and the nice sunset. It's really, really nice. And there's a little breeze, isn't there? You might be able to hear that on the microphone. There's a little breeze.
But it's very pleasing. It's quite up all cycling along, isn't it?
It's been a beautiful day.
Oh,
It's
it has
been
been beautiful.
like 20 degrees, sunny all day.
Yeah.
So it's been really nice, hasn't it?
But we thought it's a bit cooler now. We thought we'd just come out.
Come out, get the bikes out. First time since Sweden.
Yeah. Because tomorrow we're going with a group. We're going to cycle to the market, so we thought we'd better get everything, make sure it's working, because we don't know how far it is.
Because we're on a sort of holiday rally. They do group things, and they're going for a group cycle ride to the market. I don't know how far that is.
No, I don't know. No.
Won't be far. Probably 5 miles or something.
Yeah.
No
Because
more.
people talk about all the little places around here, but we don't know yet where they're talking about.
Yeah, but you see little things like this little house here, and obviously during the summer there's a bar. I don't know if you can see that sort of beach bar with the umbrellas, and they'll obviously sell nice drinks there during the summer. But we've just parked our bikes there for the time being. So it also over here there is a cycle track that goes all the way along. I think it goes right the way through to the next town, doesn't it?
They've said you can go for miles on the cycle
So
track.
that's we like places with cycle tracks. We have cycled down a bit of a dirt track to get here because we weren't sure about the way.
No, didn't know. We just wanted to practice it, really. There wasn't a destination.
Yeah, we just wanted to get our pedalling feet in for tomorrow's group session. Yeah, so that was.
That's good, because always when we cycle, when we stop, we always let Pippin out to have a run. So she looks forward now to going in the. She doesn't mind going in the basket now. She knows. Look,
here she is. Look.
She's going to have a run somewhere nice. Very happy.
Go on.
You're running. Go on then. Whee! Off you go. Go on then. Whee! Good girl. Lovely running. Yes, you are. Come on then. There. Oh, you're the best girl in the world. Yes, you are.
She so enjoys the beach.
Yes.
It's the rule here. The sort of rules here are no dogs on the beach unless there's no one else on the beach. So and that was one of our rally friends asked. Well, they went to the police and asked. They said, look, can we take the dog on the beach? And they said, well, if there's other people on the beach, maybe if they're sunbathing or swimming, there's other people around. No, you can't take the dog on the beach, and that is the rule. But if, like now, this place is deserted, we're here. We could be the last people on earth. We haven't seen anybody else for miles. So they say it's okay. Of course, if Pippin does a poo on the beach, we're going to pick that up, of course. But so this is a lovely place. There's a lot to explore. Yeah, the sky over here. I mean, that bodes well for tomorrow's sunshine, I think.
Yeah.
Red sky at night, as they say. I'm not a sailor, but I am delighted.
Yeah. Oh, we banged
Yeah. So, but that's yeah. So that's a little view of where we are, what we're doing.
Yes.
Once again, thanks so much for watching, and all the comments and Facebook private messages I've been having about security have been such a joy.
I have.
You know, somebody even was so kind to say, well, don't beat yourself up. Just remember, we are the victims here. It's the scumbags that are at fault, not us. You know, but in hindsight, we would have had better security, of course. You know, everybody's got perfect vision in hindsight.
Yeah, you just get too lax and worry.
Well,
I don't know what it's lax.
You know, we've never been close to being burgled before, so you know, it's not. And I think our biggest mistake was going to a big town and not taking extra security, because I think, you know, that was it, a big town. Big town. A lot of motorhomes around. More criminals in big towns. You don't see them out in the villages, so there you are. But there you are. We're making progress on our list of things. Yeah. We're getting lots of advice before we make final decisions, aren't we? About tomorrow we'll show you the temporary measures we've taken, which I think are pretty good, thanks to some advice from you all. Yeah, so, we can now secure the doors and the cab and the habitation door. And I would like to say a big thanks to our good friend Steve Weaver and his wife Donna for giving us this idea. Very, very good idea for the habitation door. Yeah, habitation door. So cheers, Steve. That was a good idea. That yeah. So, but we'll show you that tomorrow. Yeah. Anyway, that's it from a breezy beach here in sunny Spain. Yes. We'll see you again tomorrow. Bye bye for now.
Bye everyone, and thank you.